slightly faster log turn, and we'll go over it next time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is where we're finished. Practice your shorty Georges. We worked on kick, ball change, walk, 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 walk. So you can just do that. You're fine. You'll still be dancing with everybody. But then you can add this. Do kick, ball change, walk, 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 walk. Make sure you don't go twisty. You don't want to go this. You don't want to go this. Yeah. You want to go this.